How to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome on Android phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Google Chrome. Click on three dots located at top right. In here, click on Recent Tabs. After you've clicked on Recent Tabs, you will find all the tabs. Simply select the tab you want to restore. After you select the tab, it will simply open the tab in this way. Or you can simply again go to the page which is recent tabs, hold on to the tabs, and then click on open in new tab. You can do the same in all the recent tabs you want to restore. And this is how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.